Features of lung, lobes and features of lung. Here I am going to discuss. First, come to the introduction part. The lung occupying major portion of the thoracic cavity. The lungs are a pair of respiratory organs. Left and right lungs are separated by the mediastinum. And lungs are spongy in texture. In young people, the lungs are brown and gray in color. And the right lung weighs about 700 grams and it is about 50 to 100 grams heavier than the left lung. Then come to the features. Each lung is conical in shape and it has apex at the upper part, then base resting on the diaphragm, then three borders: anterior border, posterior border and inferior border, and it has two surfaces, and that is costal surface and medial surface. Then come to the features and lobes of the lung. The right lung is divided into three lobes: upper lobes, middle lobes and lower lobes. And these lobes are divided by two fissures, that is oblique fissures and horizontal fissures. Then the left lung is divided into two lobes by oblique fissures. Means here only one fissure is present and this fissure is divided this left lung into two lobes, and that is upper lobes and lower lobes. The oblique fissures cut into the whole thickness of the lung except at the hilum. It passes obliquely downward and forward, then crossing the posterior border about 6 cm below the apex. Then here the tongue-shaped projection in the left lung is present below the cardiac nodes, that is called the lingula. It corresponds to the middle lobe of the right lung. And due to the oblique plane of the fissure, the lower lobe is more posterior and the upper and the middle lobes more anterior. And this is the introduction part of the fissures and lobes of the lung. Thank you.